Pull the WB2 file off an old hard drive and need to extract the data inside? This is a Quattro Pro for Windows notebook from the mid-1990s era of spreadsheet software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Quattro Pro notebook files. We're going to solve this WB2 issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. This is a spreadsheet file created by Quattro Pro for Windows, versions 5.0 or 6.0. A user with this file is likely trying to access data from an older business or academic document. They need software capable of importing this legacy format, such as modern Office suites or a dedicated file converter. The WB2 format is a proprietary binary structure developed by Borland. It was designed to store cell data, formulas, charts, and formatting information in a compact and quickly accessible manner. This binary design was standard for spreadsheets of its era, prioritizing performance over the human readability of later XML-based formats. The essential opener for the WB2 structure is Corel Quattro Pro, developed by Corel Corporation. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows shows partial spreadsheet content, but full manipulation requires compatible applications. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your WB2 file, then click Open With. Test Corel Quattro Pro if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If the WB2 file won't budge, stay calm. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, opening with modern Quattro Pro. Install Corel WordPerfect Office Standard or Professional Edition, which includes Quattro Pro. Launch Quattro Pro and use File then Open to load the WB2 file. The current version maintains backward compatibility, allowing you to view, edit, and save in current QPW format, or export to XLSX for Excel compatibility. Next, importing in LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc includes import filters for Quattro Pro WB2 files. Open Calc, use File, then open and select the WB2 file. Calc converts the notebook to its native format, preserving most cell data formulas and basic formatting. Save as ODS or XLSX for ongoing use in modern workflows. Finally, converting via older Excel. Microsoft Excel 2003 and earlier versions included Quattro Pro import converters. If you have access to a legacy Excel installation, open the WB2 file there and save as XLS or XLSX. For modern environments, use LibreOffice as an intermediate converter to bridge the format gap to current Excel versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.